How to add GIGABRAIN by Virtuos token. So the token came under the symbol of brain. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check Direct's account and keep following their updates about this token and go and engage with their community. As you can see, they have 14,000 followers. So to be able to buy this token is available on the screen, as you can see. Now, to be able to buy this token, copy the address from here and remember this token under the base network. Now go and open your wallet. For this I will use the PayPath wallet like that. Go to your wallet. Now here, select the base as a network. Click on this plus icon. Now here, paste the token address. After that, you need to add this token to your wallet. Now click on this plus icon. Go back to your wallet like that and find your token. Just scroll down. As you can see, this is it. Now click on it. After that, click on swap. Click on switch here. Now from the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT. And first of all, make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now after that, type how much you want to buy. Just wait a few seconds to be able to see how much you will receive. So this is it. After that, it's easy and simple. Now click on buy now and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy Brain token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.